Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Mercy Beauty of Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video guys, I'm going to decorate my bedroom, and guys, as you can see, I have a huge mirror that from Amorho. Guys, I really love this mirror guys. This mirror is supposed to be for a bathroom makeover. Until then, I'm going to use it in my bedroom because I'm so in love with it. And guys, as you can see, it goes perfectly with my bedroom. The style and the color and the size, I love everything about it. And as you can see guys, the unboxing, it's really well packed and protect your item. Like I said before, this mirror is supposed to be for a bathroom makeover, but guys, you can choose to use it however you want. And as you can see, I myself lift it, and it's very sturdy but kind of not too heavy. It's perfectly perfect guys. I'm adding my greenery, and this is the way everything look like, and I'm so in love with my bedroom guys. The bedroom is so pretty, and I just did a bedroom refresh because I leave everything in place the way it was. As you can see, the mirror is so tall, it's 72 by 40 inches, and guys, I can see my entire body. And you need something like that guys in your life. And if you don't like this one, you can always choose other one because they have from LED light mirror you can choose to put in your bathroom, or you can be like me, buy a bigger size to put in your bedroom. Anywhere you choose. I always love to repurpose my things, like life hack. And it doesn't have to be, you don't have to follow the crowd. You can always stand out and just choose your thing wisely. If you want to your home to look different, so you can do so. And guys, they have a great sale going on for the Memorial Day, so you can always choose other styles and colors. And as you can see guys, there are so many different shapes for one sink to double sink, so everything that you want you can find in there. And don't forget, they have a coupon code for you guys. They have a huge sale, so don't miss on it. The link will be in the description box down below for you guys. As you can see, I love my bedroom. My bedroom is so pretty. And guys, I leave it exactly the way it was. The only thing I did is just add the mirror and add some greenery. And guys, I can stress it enough. I love when I'm going outside, I can see my full body. And guys, the size of the mirror is perfect for my need. You cannot miss on this guys. This one make my bedroom look so luxurious. I love this wall art so much. I got it from Ross a while back, couple months ago. So I think it looked perfect right now in my bedroom. As you can see, I leave the flower as it was and everything as it was. The only thing I do after I wake up, I just wash my bed, my fitted sheet, and I dry and recover my bed exactly the same way it was. Guys, I live in Florida, so I don't really cover up with my comforter. I just cover with my cooling blanket. As you can see, the wall art is very nice. The little two mirrors that in the side, they are my DIY, and I keep the same lamps. I just change the vases and add other greenery. And on my nightstand, I love it. And guys, everything look exactly the way I love it, perfect. And that's the way the room was. I just remove the three little wall art that I had from the gallery, so I remove them because I love the black, white and gold better with this decor. So that's the way it is right now guys. I really love how it turns out. So let me know down below, what do you think, if that's something that you will do in your room. If you made it this far to the video, thank you so much. I always take some time to welcome everyone that new to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Mercy. Please guys, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first person to know. In my channel guys, I do pretty much everything. I do product review like today. I do clean with me, DIY, home decor. If you are not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you guys. I love you all and keep on watching. Guys, if you don't have a big mirror in your home, you need one, because as you can see, I can see my entire body. And this is my best friend, I can tell you, because I know exactly how I look like when I'm going out, how my clothes lay on me, if I'm sexy enough, if my shoes look right and everything. So this is my best friend right now. So you need something like that in your life. Don't forget to check the link down below if you are looking for a mirror for your room. So guys, as you can see, you can use it for the bathroom, because the original use is for a bathroom, but my entire apartment I decorate a little bit black in everywhere. As you can see, this is my entryway, and I really love how it turns out. And this is my latest dining decor area, so everything everywhere in my home you will see black. And I'm going to change to yellow or orange for the summer, but as of for now, I'm loving the black, and I'm gonna keep it this way. That's the way I changed the curtain. I had the silver, I removed the silver. Right now I'm adding the black one just to put more black into the room. And I think I like the black curtain better. So yes, that's where I'm keeping my home right now for this couple of days. I'm going to change to yellow for the summer. I'm not sure if I'm going to add orange, but we will see how the summer gonna go. But for right now, I'm enjoying my black and white and a little bit silver and gold. And guys, this is everything. Don't forget to check the link down below, and make sure to come back for more video, and you don't want to miss on my summer decor. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue. Mon nom est Merci guys. Je vous en prie, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager. À tous mes abonnés, un grand merci mes amours pour votre support. Je vous aime. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours. Si vous la première fois, moi souhaite bienvenue. Non, moi c'est Merci. Dans la vidéo, ça va montrer nous qui j'aime transformer glace qui est supposé pour toilette, moi mettre dans la chambre qui va faire chambre moins belle. Et guys, nous pas obligés nous qu'à changer à faire nos gens, parce que c'est comme de nos pays, nous qu'à faire ça ensemble avec les guys. Et moi montrer nous qui gens chambre vient vraiment belle. So si vous avez une idée qui gens pour décorer chambre, ou venir sur bon channel là. Et pas oublier abonner et puis partager la avec vos amis. Et si c'est pas la première fois, tout le monde dit merci un peu pour le support. Okay guys, that was all for today, and thank you so much for taking your time watching the video. I love you all. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.